Hello my dear students, welcome back. This video is for the students of class first, mean that this video is for you. Subject Maths, Chapter 4, Subtraction 1 to 20, and it's our lecture number 6. In this video, we are going to learn how to subtract. So students, in this video our subtopic is, yes, let's have a look. What's our subtopic? Subtract by counting backward. Yes, as you can read here, SUBTRACT, subtract, by COUNTING, counting, BACKWARD, backward. Means here we have the topic subtract by counting backward. Means we have to do subtraction by counting backward. Yes, my dear students, we always do subtraction by counting backward. We have already done backward counting and sums also, but today we are going to learn it again, that how to do subtraction by counting backward. I have already taught you. So let's have a look how to do subtraction by counting backward. So my lovely children, as you can see on your screen, that here is number 9. Okay, this is number 9. So we have to find which number comes before 9. हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि 9 के बैक कौन सा नंबर होता है. So students, tell me first why we are looking for the back number here. हम यहाँ पे बैक नंबर क्यों पूछ रही है मैम आपसे? Why I am asking about the back number? Yes, exactly. Yes, it's because we do backward counting in subtraction. And as you all know that subtraction chapter is going on, that is why we are learning here backward counting. Okay, always keep this thing in your mind that in subtraction we always go back counting. And what is backward counting? In which we take back steps, जिसमें हम पीछे पीछे steps लेते हैं. पहले one number, if one number is given to you, then उसके back means उसके पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है, then उसकी भी back, फिर उसके पहले कौन सा नंबर होगा, फिर उसके back, and then so on, जब तक आपसे जितने भी back number आपसे पूछे गए हैं. Okay students, so 9 के back we have to find, back to that number we have to find, and back to that number we have to find. So 3 backward counting we have to do here. So let's find it out. First of all, we have number 9. Now here I am using this type of curve for denoting back step. Back step दिखाने के लिए मैं आपको ये ऐसे एक आर्क और ये एक सिंबल बता रही हूँ. ओके, इसको हम कर्व भी कहते हैं. सो ऐसे मैंने एक साइन बनाया है ताकि आपको पता चले दैट इज दैट आई एम डिनोटिंग हियर बैक नंबर. सो 9 के बैक विच नंबर कम्स? यस, व्हेन यू डू काउंटिंग, सो 9 के बैक कौन सा नंबर होता है स्टूडेंट्स? यस, इट्स नंबर 8. वेरी नाइस. सो वी कैन से दैट 9 के बैक 8, और यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे लगाया, सो दैट्स मीन्स we are taking here one back step. So 9 के back 8, 8 के back again I am drawing here, that means it's denoting the back step. It means here from here we are going to here. 8 के back 7, very good, and then again 7 के back 6. So students, Here we have filled our 3 back number, means backward counting 9 to so on. 9 से बैक हमने 3 नंबर्स फाइंड आउट किए जो मैम ने आपको यहाँ बॉक्स बनाए हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट 9 के बैक 8, 8 के बैक 7 और 7 के बैक 6, सो ऑन. ओके, ऐसे हम काउंट बैक करते रहेंगे. सपोज हियर इज नंबर 10, सो 10 के बैक 9, 9 के बैक 8, 8 के बैक 7, 7 से बैक 6. So similarly the counting goes on. Okay students, so here we have learned that how to do backward counting. Similarly we will do when we will solve our sums. Okay students, now let's do book exercise that is named as activity ACTIVITY activity. So in this one we are going to do book exercise. Examples I have given you. So now it's time to do our book exercise. So let's start reading with me. SUBTRACT, subtract. THE, FOLLOWING, following. BYY, COUNTING, counting. BACKWARD. So question can be given to you like this, that subtract the following by counting backward, in which you have to do subtraction by counting backward. Students, we have done backward counting earlier. Now on behalf of backward counting, now we have to solve the sums. We have to solve the given sums. So students, as you can see here, these all questions are arranged in horizontal form. Horizontal form, I have told you earlier that this is the horizontal form, in which sums are given in a line, जिसमें आपको ऐसे लाइन वाइज सम दिए होते हैं. ओके, और जब आप उनको प्लेस करते हैं लाइक दिस इन कॉलम, so that is vertical form. That we will do in the next one, in the next video. So students, here we have to solve the given sums by counting backward. So let's get started. First one is 6. It is the sign of subtraction. 3. So we have to subtract 3 from 6. आपको 6 में से 3 को subtract करना है. So let's start doing. Keep number 6 in your mind. Open your 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So here I have opened my 3 fingers. 3 fingers open. Now we have to go back counting. 6 के back 5, 5 के back 4, 4 के back, yes, tell me, 3. So as you can see students, all my fingers are down now. That's why the answer is 3. We will write here 3. Beautifully and neatly you have to make all the digits. Okay students. Next is 7 minus 4. We have to subtract 4 from 7. हमें 7 में से 4 को subtract करना है and get the answer. So let's start doing. Keep number 7 in your mind and open 4 fingers. 7 को माइंड में रखेंगे और हम 4 फिंगर्स ओपन करेंगे. ओके, सो कीप number 7 in mind by tapping your head. Tap tap. Tap करते हैं ना हम, सारे बच्चे करेंगे. So all of you will tap the head. Tap tap and 4 fingers open. 7 को माइंड में रख लिया. 4 fingers open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers open. 7 के बैक. अब बैक काउंटिंग करेंगे. 7 के बैक 6, 6 के बैक 5, 5 के बैक 4, 4 के बैक 3. All fingers down. So that's why answer is 3. We will use, look at here, my number is out of box. That's not looking good. So we will erase it and I will write it again beautifully. Yes, now it's perfect. So we will write 3 like this. Done. Next is 17 minus 6. Now we have to subtract 17 minus 6. We have to subtract 6 from 17. 6 minus करेंगे हम 17 में से. Okay. So let's start doing. Keep number 17 in your mind. Open your 6 fingers. नंबर 17 को हम माइंड में रखेंगे और 6 फिंगर्स ओपन करेंगे. वाई वी विल डू लाइक दिस? एज बिकॉज फर्स्ट नंबर को माइंड में, सेकेंड नंबर की फिंगर्स ओपन करते हैं. ओके, सो 17 को माइंड में रखा. ऑल ऑफ यू विल कीप नंबर 17 इन माइंड एंड 6 फिंगर्स ओपन. ओपन विद मी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I have opened my 6 fingers and number 17 is in my mind. Now I will go back counting. You will also count back counting with me and we all will close our fingers one by one. So 17 mind में है, 6 fingers open है. Now go back counting. 17 के back 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. All fingers down. So that is why answer is 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. We can say 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Yes, here's the next one. And the next sum is 11 minus 4 is equal to dash. Now we have to subtract 4 from 11. So similarly we will do. Keep number 11 in mind. Open 4 fingers. 11 को माइंड में रखेंगे, 4 fingers open करेंगे and we will go back counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers open. Now we have to go back counting. Means we have to count उल्टी गिनती. हमें उल्टी गिनती काउंट करनी है. We have to go backward counting. Thumb is not opened, so we will not count it. Okay, keep remember, जब आप thumb को open करते हैं तो उसको काउंट करना नहीं भूलना है. 11 माइंड में, 4 fingers open. Now go back counting. 11 के back 10, 9, 8, 7. All fingers down. So the answer is 7. Beautifully you have to write like me. Next is 6 minus 5 is equal to dash. We have to find the answer. So keep number 6 in your mind. Open your 5 fingers. 6 को माइंड में रखेंगे और 5 फिंगर्स ओपन. 1 2 3 4 5. Now I used my thumb here also. So keep remember, when you open thumb, so don't forget to close it. 6 is in our mind, 5 fingers open. Now go back counting. 6 के back 5 4 3 2 1. All fingers down. So the answer is 1. Students, here the thing that you have to keep in your mind is, when you closed your finger, answer is 1. When you closed your fingers, so जो लास्ट में नंबर होता है वो आपका आंसर होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 19 minus 4. Keep number 19 in your mind. Open your 4 fingers. 1 2 3 4. 4 fingers are open. So 19 mind में 4 fingers open. Now go back counting. 19 के back 18 17 16 and 15. All fingers down. So the ultimate, which number came? 15. That's why we will write here 1 5 15. Here is the answer 15. Next is 8 minus 5. Keep number 8 in your mind. Open your 5 fingers. Here are the 5 fingers. One hand 5 fingers. 18 8 mind में 5 fingers open. 8 के back 7 6 5 4 3. All fingers down. The answer is 3. 13 minus 4. Here we have 13 minus 4. Keep number 13 in your mind. Open your 4 fingers. 1 2 3 4. 13 is in our mind. 4 fingers open. Now go back counting. 13 से back 12 11 10 9. All fingers down. So the answer is 9. And here is the last one. 15 minus 3. Keep number 15 in your mind. Open 3 fingers and go back counting. 14 13 12. So answer is 1 2 12. So students, here we have done our book exercise. Now let's do the next sum, that is MCQ. MCQ. First one is, read with me. ADD add me to 4 or subtract me from 12. What is saying? He is saying that add me to 4 और subtract me from 12. या तो मुझे 4 में ऐड करो या मुझे 12 में से माइनस करो. द आंसर इज द सेम. आंसर सेम होगा. हु एम आई, मैं कौन हूँ, आपको वो नंबर बताना है. तो आप कौन से नंबर में 4 को ऐड करेंगे या किसको 12 में से माइनस करेंगे कि सेम आंसर हो आपका. नाउ my lovely children, now it's time to take homework, and your homework is do given sums in fair notebook. Here are the sums that you have to do in your fair notebook. You have to solve these sums in your fair notebook. Subtract. So you have to solve these sums and submit its solution on my email ID, or you can WhatsApp me. So try to do email first. So I will wait. And here are the sums: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So solve all these sums in your fair notebook. Now let's discuss the homework solution of previous lecture, means lecture number 5. In lecture number 5, your homework was read subtraction fact. Not addition, subtraction facts. So here are the facts. Let's read with me. by subtracting, subtracting 1 from a number get the previous number. Next, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. And the third is and last fact is subtracting subtracting 0 from a number means subtraction. Difference is the number itself. Subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. The difference is the number itself. So students, here we have discussed the previous homework solution also. Now I want to request you that please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Watch my all videos and submit your homework on daily basis. Otherwise you will be marked as absent. So till the next video, bye bye, take care.